speedboat. A speedboat is a super fast boat. People use them for fun, like water sports, or for racing. A yacht. A yacht is a big, fancy, and luxurious boat. It's often used for vacations and can have lots of fun things like swimming pool or hot tubs. A cargo ship. A cargo ship is a giant floating truck. It carries lots of things, like toys, food, and even cars, across the big oceans. It's a super cool way to move things around the world. A cruise ship. A cruise ship is a big floating hotel. It takes people on a fun vacation where they can eat delicious food, play games, go swimming, and see new places. A kayak. A kayak is a small boat that you sit in and paddle with a double-bladed paddle. It's great for exploring rivers, lakes, and oceans. An aircraft carrier. An aircraft carrier is like a floating airport. It's a big ship that carries airplanes and helicopters. These planes can fly off the ship to help protect our country. A submarine. A submarine is a special boat that can dive underwater. It's like a secret underwater vehicle that can explore the ocean and even go really deep. A fishing boat. A fishing boat is like a floating market. It's used to catch fish and other sea creatures. Fishermen use nets and hooks to catch fish, and then they bring them back to shore to sell or eat. A jet ski. A jet ski is like a super fast water motorcycle. It's a fun way to zoom around on the water and feel the wind in your hair. A houseboat. A houseboat is like a floating house. It's a boat that people can live on. It has rooms for sleeping, cooking, and relaxing, just like a regular house. Like, subscribe, and share Boo and Bubbles TV.